Okay, so Izzy, we're just going to have a little look at your stop frame animation that you've made, and firstly, really good idea to create a stop frame animation which documents the progress of a drawing coming together, and I think that's a real strength of this piece, the idea of actually showing this process of drawing, um, and it's a good drawing that you've made as well, so well done on that. In terms of an improvement, what I would suggest is that you, next time you to do a piece like that, or like this, where you're documenting a drawing come together through video or through stop frame animation, just make sure that the camera is in a fixed position. What I suspect is that you've kind of handheld taken these shots, which means we get a little bit of variety in the distance of the camera from the sketchbook. If you set your camera up, you can kind of attach it to something, or you can actually get a tripod, um, and what that'll do is that'll fix your camera into a position, and then you can zoom into a certain area. In this case, it might be just around the drawing that you're making, and then the distance between the camera and the subject, which in this case is the sketchbook, remains exactly the same. And what that means is that the only movement that will then be within the piece is the changes that are happening on the page, the drawing kinds of coming together as if by magic, and that means that the drawing is the sole focus of the piece. So by fixing the point of view of your camera, you just add focus to the main subject, or the subject of the piece of artwork that you've made. But that's just something for an improvement for, as you get more experience, and the next time you try stop frame animation, to try that. In terms of this being a first attempt, I think it's a really good one, so well done.